Mr. Rajan, I have been waiting for you. You have many questions, and although the process has altered your consciousness, you remain irrevocably human. Ergo, some of my answers you will understand, and some of them you will not. Concordantly, while your first question may be the most pertinent, you may or may not realize it is also irrelevant.
Hey, can you check what's playing on HBO?
Oh yes, it is 10 a.m. Forrest Gump must be on. Excuse me for a second. I have a message from the council member.
What they say?
Nothing. Rajan, your life is the sum of a remainder of a quotient whose dividend is a multiple of 2 and 368. You are the eventuality of an anomaly.
Why am I here?
Your presence here is a direct consequence of the events that occurred only a while ago in the examination hall. There is a purpose, a reason behind all that comes to pass. Destiny has played its part and brought you here to me.
Okay, this is getting weird now. Who the fuck are you?
Who I am is of no consequence. Who will you choose to be? That is the decision for which fate has inexorably led you here. Do you know what I am talking about?
No?
This is your last chance, Rajan. After this, there is no turning back. There are 2 pills on the tray. You take the blue pill, the story ends. You wake up in your bed and believe whatever you want to believe. You take the red pill, and I will show you how deep the rabbit hole goes. The choice has been made. It is time for you to open your eyes to the truth. Very little is known of the man who calls himself the Dark Lord. It is said that, like all young ambitious men, he too had dreams of his own. Dreams of fame and fortune. Dreams of becoming an actor. And as the story goes, he did become an actor. But it was not meant to last. His debut film was the biggest flop in the history of cinema. And soon he was branded the worst actor to have ever performed. He was shunned by society like an outcast. Unable to come to terms with his failure, he delved into depression. Soon his tears turned to anger. In time his anger grew so profound that he swore to avenge the death of his dream. Soon moved away from the city to avoid the eye of the media.
And for the lack of something better to say, I am going to keep quiet for the next 16 seconds.
And it was there he began to plot his evil plans to rule the world. He convinced numerous flop actors just like himself to join him in his cause, and thus he began to build his own army, an army that came to be called Film-e-Ul-Jihad. The elder council members and our brave men have relentlessly fought the evil Dark Lord. Despite our efforts, the Dark Lord continues to grow more powerful than ever before. The war has claimed many lives on both sides. हरामजादों ने एजेंट जादू को भी मार दिया. वो हमारा सबसे काबिल सिपाही था. भगवान करे उसकी आत्मा को शांति मिले. Over the years, the Dark Lord has tried and tested several methods to enslave the population of the world. but none of them are half as potent and dangerous as his latest invention. Our men managed to secure a sample of this new weapon of mass destruction a few months ago. The 15-minute video sample is believed to be a small clip that is a part of a feature-length movie. We suspect the movie is a Dark Lord home production on the basis of its ridiculously stupid storyline. It has utterly pathetic song and dance sequences which occur at intervals of 40 seconds throughout the sample. Scientists at our top secret labs stationed at Sion have conducted various tests, and their observations are very disturbing. See for yourself. The research team subjected a random loser they picked off the streets, or in technical terms, a human specimen, to the 15-minute video sample. During the first 2 minutes of the video, the specimen seemed to enjoy what he saw, but CAT scans of his brain had a different story to tell. As you can see, 4 minutes into the video, the specimen's brain cells began to behave in a peculiar manner, resulting in a steady drop of IQ. Further, as the clip proceeded into its 10th minute, the specimen's IQ had dropped to a massive -346. On the final 15th minute of the clip, the specimen had entered an irreversible zombie-like stage. According to intelligence reports we have received, the Dark Lord intends to broadcast his movie via satellite to every television in every country of the world, starting with India. The results of such an action would be catastrophic. In a city like Mumbai itself, the average IQ of the population post-mass broadcast of the Dark Lord's movie is estimated at -90. We can only pray for the states of Bihar, Jharkhand and Uttaranchal, where the average IQ levels are estimated to dip well beyond -350. It is up to you, Rajan, to save the world.
But why me?
Rajan, you are the chosen one. You have been sent by the gods to put an end to the Dark Lord's madness. Do you recognize him?
Yeah, he's the one who cheated.
For fear that you will grow more powerful than he is and eventually defeat him, the Dark Lord sent one of his most trusted and loyal servants to kill you. It is fortunate that Sister Molly saved you and brought you here, to me. It is up to you now to defeat the evil Dark Lord and his minions. Fear not, young Rajan. Take this ring. It is a gift from the Elder Council members. It will guide you and unlock your powers in your time of need. Remember, with great power comes great responsibility. Remember, great power, great responsibility. Remember, great power,
lives for me. Said she lives for motivation. Oh, motivation. She comes round and she goes down on me, and I make you smile like a drug for you. Do ever what you wanna do, coming over you. Keep on smiling what we go through. One stop to the rhythm that defines you, and I speak to you.